Okay. I don't know where to begin. I have not been able to sleep right comfortably. I haven't been able to sleep actually much at all lately. Ever since April 19th, 2013, my life hasn't been the same. On that day, approximately 10:15 at night, my mother was killed. She was hit by a speeding driver on the way home after work one night. She was taken out of my life so quickly, so suddenly. I still don't know how to get over it. It's June 9th, 2013. My birthday is on the 21st. I'll be turning 20. Her mom's not here to see it. I don't have a father. I've never had a father. He's never been in my life. My mom was my rock. My mom was everything I had. And I mean that when I say it. She was everything that I had. She was all that I had. Ever since, I haven't been the same. I can't keep a relationship. I can't do anything right. I'm constantly feeling lost and confused, and I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get over this. I'm scared I never will. This is the hardest thing I've ever dealt with. Yeah. Me and my mom fought. But what child and parents don't fight? It's normal. Every child fights with their parents. They argue and everything like that. It's normal. But at the end of the day, she always knew that I loved her because she is my mother. She was all I had. And now she's gone. I don't know what to do. It breaks my heart knowing that I can't call her. I can't hug her. I can't hear her voice. I'll never hear her voice again. Never. I wish I knew who my father was. I wish I could have someone that will make it a little better, but I don't have that. I have family and I have friends, but I don't have any parents in my life anymore. My mom was my mom and my dad. I just wish she was right here, right now, just to tell me everything's okay, but I know she's not going to. That's the hardest thought to think ever. 10 more days and it'll be 2 months. just miss her so much. And people recently don't understand why I am the way that I am. I don't trust anybody. I don't want to let anybody get close to me. I don't want to let anybody in because I'm scared I'm going to lose them like I lost my mom. There's a whole new thing has come over me where I just don't want to let anybody in and I hurt them. And I don't mean to. It's just I don't want to let them in. So I push them away. I don't know what to do. I just wish he was here.